Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today our topic is how to spot a good trade, how to get a good trade, how to know if it's a good trade or a bad trade. Okay, when we talk about how to get a good trade, we're gonna be talking about the key levels. We're gonna be talking about the levels where it's way much better to take your trades there than other levels. Okay, so we can start here. So where do we start? What you need here, it's a market that is having confluences. By confluences I mean the market with the higher highs and higher lows. So this is the tradable market. This is the tradable market which is having higher highs and higher lows. But the market that you have to avoid, or the market that you have to stay away, is the market like this here, when the market is moving straight like this. So when the market is trending, you have to stay away a bit. So where do you get your entries? How do you spot out your good entries? So this is how it goes. Firstly, when you are analyzing, remember that you have to know your trend first. You have to know where the market is going. You have to switch your time frames from a higher time frame going to the lower time frame, so that you can see what is really going on in the market. So here we start here. I'm gonna start on this Australian dollar US. Okay, Australian dollar US dollar. Currently where it is, I'm gonna use the current price. Okay, so if you look here, I have this resistance here. It's on my daily. And again I have this lowest support there, and if I spot again, I have a level. Remember that the level that I'm taking this outermost because they're important. I know that when the market reaches for this level, it's going to react. So okay, so since it's gonna react, let's look at the other levels that are important. So currently, if we look here, we have a level here that is having how many touches? The market, okay, was going down here, and then it came up 1 2 this is the first one, 1 2 and 3. So okay, so now I have a level that is strong. Okay, and again, as you can see here, the market has do what? It has come here. After coming here, the market broke up, it went up, the market went up, and now it's back on this level. So these are the levels that you need to be entertaining as a trader. These are the key levels that are very important as you are trading. So this is where you want to take your trades. This is where you want to find yourself executing your trades. So how do you deal with such? So when you are dealing with levels like this, now since you have okay, this was a resistance here, which now can be or not used as a support. Remember, when you get to these important levels, these key levels, you don't have to be biased until you get your confirmation. On here, my confirmation is gonna come from the candles, but here I'm gonna focus on the important levels. Okay, so since this is our level, we are going to wait for the market to give us a confirmation. So where do we get the confirmation? That's when we have to go to the lower time frame. When we go to the lower time frame, we can now clearly see there are many candles, and as you can see here, there are confluences that we're giving entries all the time. There are confluences here. The market is breaking, the market kept on breaking, the market kept on making higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, so on. And then it came to this point where it broke out, came back with the higher high and higher low, and now it's back here, of which this is a breakout and retest strategy, or it can be a fake out where the market can succeed in going or pushing more further bearish movement. So what can happen in this situation when you are trading these important levels like this? You have to wait. So what happens when you wait? You wait for market. If you were here and you miss this breakout and retest here, this is the second opportunity for an entry, of which we don't have to be biased right now, since the market has just touched this level. So now we want to see the market reacting on this level. How is it gonna react? The market can give us a double bottom here and continue to go up, or the market can, once since it's on this level, it can also break in, retest this level and start to go down. And that's when, after a retest, that's when you can confirm with the candles. You're gonna get the candles there on so this is where the candles are most important on this level. This is where you have to use your candles. This is where you have to use mostly your candle. So you know that if you take this trade here, if you are a swing trader, you know that you will be looking at the trade that is going to give you multiple opportunities, many opportunities. Because if we look here, this has become also a level right now. If the market give us a double bottom here or bullish engulfing, and then the market start to go up, we are expecting also to react on this level, because it has become a level also of important. And then until the market reaches here, and another important level, it's up here. And if we look down here, the next or if we are going for a sell, as you can see here, this is another trend where the market can also offer other entries. Okay, and again, the next important key level is this support below here. So that's where we need to be cautious, because once the market can come here and it can bounce here and it can drive the direction up there. So this is how you approach your trading on these levels. And again, if we look, okay, let's go back. If we look at again on these levels, this 4 hour, okay, 4 hour and daily levels, they are not far from each other. Okay, if we look here, there was this touch, this was the first touch, and you could put a support here, and then the market went up, and then the market came down here. And when it came down here, how did it react? Let's check how did the market react on this level. The market came to this level here, it break down here, and after that it came back with the what? With the morning star. So this candle formation here, it's a morning star here. 1 2 3, these 3 candles here, it's a morning star. So the market indicated to us that now it's done with this level here. Now it's ready to push further up. Now it's ready to go back up. So this is how you approach your levels. And remember that these levels can also work out and not work out. So they can give you let's say by working out, I mean something like this. For example, here on this instant, there was this level here. This level is of importance here because it's a resistance, and then the market went down, find this support, supported, and then it started going up with the higher highs, higher low, and then it went up here where it gave us a what? A breakout. And after a breakout, as a trader, if you are trading breakout, you know that the strategy of breakout and it needs a what? A retest. So it gave us a retest here, of which it was clear a retest, and I could have took the trade here, but if you check here, the market kept on going down, and after that it continued to go up. So these can happen. So that's why you need your stop loss as you are trading all the time. You need your stop loss, because these levels can also experience things like this, where the market will take time or give you long candles before it continues to the direction. Even if you have seen that the market will go up, but it can sometimes take time or give you like many candles before it goes to your direction. So that's something that you need to count out. And again, if we look here, we have a level here which was of importance, and the market did what? It first give us a fake out with the long stick, and then it made a long wick, came back in with the what? With the bearish engulfing. So after here, that's when we for entries, and then you put your stop loss on top here, because you know that if you are trading these levels, once the market comes back up here, your setup has been violated. You don't want anything to do with that setup. So that's all. If you are new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And if you are returning, I appreciate your support. So ciao.